Is the end near for Bitcoin? Yes and no. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a whole represents future, which of we couldn't have dreamt about just 20 years ago. However, Bitcoin is reaching its maximum supply and one day which would mean end. At least to the supply, not to the demand. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Crypto Tutorship. As of August 2022, there were 19,124,681 Bitcoins in circulation. At the time, there were 1,875,319 Bitcoins available to mine before the 20 million Bitcoin maximum was met. This video is going to be very amazing. Watch the entire video. In today's video, we will discuss when will BTC reach its maximum supply. Let's dive into it. Yes, indeed, one of the most distinguishing features of Bitcoin is its restricted currency supply. Satoshi Nakamoto, the secret identity used by the Bitcoin cryptocurrency developers, conceived the cryptocurrency as digital gold, and the maximum quantity of Bitcoin is limited to represent the finite amount of actual gold. Will Bitcoin ever reach 21 million in number? The overall number of Bitcoins issued is unlikely to exceed 21 million. This is due to the Bitcoin network's usage of bit-shift operators, which are arithmetic operators that round certain decimal points to the nearest smallest integer. When the block reward for creating this rounding down may occur when a fresh Bitcoin block is divided in half and the new reward amount is established. The value of this award is expressed in satoshis, with 1 satoshi equaling 0.00000001 bitcoins. The satoshi cannot be divided in half since it is the lowest unit of measurement in the Bitcoin network. When confronted with dividing a satoshi in half to determine a new reward amount, the Bitcoin blockchain is configured to round down to the nearest whole integer using bit-shift operators. As a result of the constant rounding down of Bitcoin block rewards in fractions of satoshis, the total number of Bitcoins issued is projected to fall just short of 21 million. The final Bitcoin is not predicted to be created until the year 2140, given the number of new Bitcoins released every block decreases by half every 4 years. When Bitcoin was initially introduced, the number of new Bitcoins created every block was 50. However, it has now dropped to 6.25 as of May 2020. Although there is a limit of 21 million Bitcoins that may be generated, the number of Bitcoins in circulation is likely far fewer. Bitcoin holders may lose access to their Bitcoins if they lose the private keys to their Bitcoin wallets or die without releasing their wallet information. According to a June 2020 analysis by the crypto forensics firm Chainalysis, up to 20% of the Bitcoin currently issued may be irreversibly destroyed. What happens when Bitcoin's supply is depleted? While 2140 is a long time away, it is not feasible for Bitcoin to reach its maximum supply before then. So what happens when it happens? When Bitcoin hits its maximum supply, there will be 21 million Bitcoins in circulation. No new Bitcoins will be generated at this time, and the only way to receive them is to mine them or buy them on an exchange. Some are concerned that this may lead to a deflationary cycle in which the value of Bitcoin skyrockets as people hoard it. Others believe it will result in a more stable Bitcoin market. How will this impact the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? When Bitcoin hits its maximum supply, the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be affected. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are likely to soar in value as demand for these digital assets develop. While the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies may vary in the near term, the long-term trend is projected to be favorable as more people and businesses embrace these technologies. When Bitcoin reaches its maximum quantity, miners will have no incentive to continue confirming transactions on the network. As a result, they will most likely cease mining Bitcoin and pursue other chances. This might cause the Bitcoin network's hash rate to drop, making it more vulnerable to 51% assaults. Why can Bitcoin be infinitely available and highly valuable? It's vital to note that Bitcoin and Ethereum are different. They're both cryptocurrencies constructed on their blockchain. Ether is the name of Ethereum's native token that can be purchased and traded, but the blockchain serves distinct purposes. It's vital to note that Bitcoin and Ethereum are different. They are both cryptocurrencies constructed on their blockchain. Ether is the name of Ethereum's native token that can be purchased and traded, but the blockchain serves distinct purposes. While Bitcoin is primarily used as a currency store, the Ethereum blockchain is extremely beneficial for decentralized things. The Ethereum blockchain is widely used to develop dApps, new tokens, NFT collections, and other initiatives. Indeed, many consider it the finest blockchain in the world because of its use of smart contracts. Gas costs, which users pay to compensate for Ethereum's massive computational capacity, are likewise payable in Ether and Ether alone, giving this coin a purpose other than trade. If Bitcoin, a crypto mainly developed as an alternate currency, suddenly had an endless supply constraint, the price would undoubtedly fall. And if this limitless supply restriction is made permanent, it is unlikely to recover. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is a common method for new Bitcoins to enter the market. The first processor to solve the puzzle obtains the next Bitcoin block, and the process is repeated. Bitcoin mining necessitates refined technology to perform intricate mathematics and mathematical challenges. The machines that mine Bitcoins will be rewarded with newly produced currency. Bitcoin is the first digital asset of its type, having a limited amount of 21 million coins. It cannot be lawfully established as new paper money by governments or entities. People refer to Bitcoin as digital gold, meaning that it must be mined in the same way as gold is. How many Bitcoins are mined every day? Most websites that give information about Bitcoin mining data will tell you that about 900 Bitcoins are mined daily. However, Bitcoin is all about secrecy, thus no one can quantify the precise number of Bitcoins mined in a day. Most data are based on PC processing power and hash rate from mining pools. According to data, China controls or used to own 5 crypto mining pools which account for over half of all hash rates. The closest value for analysis is derived from such Bitcoin mining pools and the amount hashed the previous day. Bitcoin's maximum supply is unavoidable and substantially influences the price of BTC and other cryptocurrencies. Other cryptocurrencies might surpass Bitcoin as a leading digital token, but this is unlikely to happen anytime soon. Even if Bitcoin disappears, blockchain technology may live on. So while Bitcoin may not be present forever, its technology will certainly survive and find another application. An event schedule for 2140 may appear little today, but when it occurs, it might hugely influence the Bitcoin market. Furthermore, it is important to remember that this is only an estimate and the real date may be sooner or later. We can only conjecture what will happen when Bitcoin hits its maximum supply until then. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.